What's going on, guys? Ian here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. Got a 2006 Harley Davidson WideGlide. It does have a nice black paint job with a little bit of tribal decal flame job on the bottom. Does come with an 88 cubic inch motor. Oh, excuse me, I apologize. A 96 cubic inch motor and a 6-speed transmission. Does have a forward controls already installed. Looks like it's got some aftermarket slip-ons slash cut. Spoke wheels on the rear and the front. It is already set up for a 2-up rider with the rider seat, passenger, and then the passenger backrest, along with pegs for the rider. It does have leather saddlebags. And it looks like the passenger backrest here is a quick release setup for easy installation and taking it off. It does have plenty of tread on the rear tire, as you can see there. Got this tank bib right here to protect the tank from anything dangling from your jacket. It's got a quick release windshield and a little windshield pouch for items. Plenty of tread on the front tire. And it's got the mini ape hangers for comfort. Looks like it's got stock grips, factory grips. And if I remember correctly, it does have relatively low miles. All in all, this is a clean 06 WideGlide. Let's see how many miles we got. 12,591 miles. For an 06, that ain't bad. Make sure we're in neutral. So it does have some aftermarket slip-ons. Not sure the brand, but they sound really good. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, which means it went through a multi-point inspection, at least a 15-mile test ride, and a professional detail. If you have any questions about this beautiful 06 WideGlide, you can contact our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or you can get on our website at cleanharleys.com and look at our full inventory. We do offer great financing options along with extended warranties. And we sell and ship bikes all over the world. And take trades on virtually anything. So feel free to give us a call. This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.